Beijing. Not just China's capital, but the center of command, code, and capital. Where emperors once ruled, billionaires now build. Welcome to 5 Wealth Giants, the series where we explore the world city by city, starting in China, to meet the people who are shaping its future through fortune, vision, and scale. And we begin in the city where it all converges, Beijing. From apps that power your feed to toys that shape youth culture. These are the 5 individuals who turned Beijing into the capital of modern Chinese wealth. Number 1, Zhang Yiming. This world runs on information. So who controls the information flow? Meet Zhang Yiming, the quiet storm from Beijing. He studied software engineering in the late 2000s and soon landed at Microsoft. But Zhang never quite fit in. Instead of following the crowd, he started his own blog and soon developed a talent for making sense of vast amounts of text. In 2012, he noticed something. Traditional media outlets were stuck in old ways. Readers wanted more personalized content, but finding it was a chore. So Zhang decided to fix it. He locked himself in a small apartment in Beijing and wrote code. What if news articles could be recommended based on individual interests? Using his programming skills and insights from his blog, Zhang built an algorithm that analyzed user behavior. It ranked stories based on relevance, pushing the most interesting pieces to the front. In April 2012, he launched Tudiao, a news aggregator app, which means headline in Mandarin. Users were hooked. The algorithm knew them too well. Within months, Tudiao exploded, boasting over 1 million users. But Zhang wasn't satisfied. He saw short videos taking over social media. Could his algorithm adapt? Thus began the Douyin revolution. In September 2016, Zhang released Douyin, a lip-syncing video app inspired by the viral success of musical Lei. Unlike traditional video platforms, though, Douyin quickly leveraged artificial intelligence to recommend content tailored to each user's taste. Overnight, it became a sensation. Soon, Zhang's recommendation algorithm would become the backbone of both Tudiao and Douyin. This led to a meteoric rise in popularity for both platforms. Tudiao delivered over 200 million content pieces daily. Douyin boasted 120 million active users. And in 2017, Zhang Yiming took his algorithm global. TikTok took off. Within 3 years, it hit 1 billion downloads, forever cementing Beijing's place on the world map of short-form video. By 2021, ByteDance, Zhang's brainchild, was worth over $200 billion, making him one of the richest men in China. Yet Zhang chose to stay in the background. He steered clear of public events, preferring to focus on product development rather than self-promotion. Despite stepping away from the spotlight, Zhang's influence remains. His algorithm continues to shape how billions of people around the world consume content. He proves that sometimes the greatest fortunes are built quietly yet efficiently. The second wealth giant, Lei Jun. In the heart of Beijing's innovation hub lies the headquarters of Xiaomi, a company founded by Lei Jun, a man on a mission. He started his career in software sales in the 1990s, and by the early 2000s, he was a rising star at Lenovo. However, Lei felt something was missing. He wanted to create something truly his own. So in 2010, Lei founded Xiaomi in a small office in Beijing. He had a radical idea: produce high-quality smartphones at affordable prices, cutting out middlemen and high margins. His first model, the Mi-1, was a huge hit. Priced at just 1,999 yuan or around $280, it sold out in seconds. But Lei didn't rest on his laurels. Xiaomi became synonymous with value for money. By 2014, they sold over 18.1 million smartphones globally, and by 2021, they became the world's third largest smartphone maker. Lei's formula for success: make tech accessible to everyone. He expanded Xiaomi's product line beyond phones, offering smart TVs, laptops, wearables, and even electric cars. Every Xiaomi device is designed with clean aesthetics and packed with intuitive features. For example, Xiaomi's Mi TV Stick transformed the viewing experience by bringing 4K streaming to millions of homes at an affordable price. Lei's impact goes beyond the tech. He's written extensively on entrepreneurship and serves as a mentor to aspiring innovators. He might not have the flashiest products, but in less than a decade, Lei turned Xiaomi into a global brand worth over $100 billion, cementing Beijing's status as a hub for accessible innovation. 3. Wangxing. Amidst the bustling streets of Wangjing, a technology hub northeast of Beijing's core, stands the headquarters of Meituan. Inside this sleek, modern building works Wangxing, a man with a plan to simplify the lives of urban dwellers. He has been dubbed the Slaughter King of the restaurant industry for his aggressive expansion and challenging strategies. Wang's journey began in the late 1990s when he co-founded a messaging software company. When the internet bubble burst, he pivoted, targeting a new frontier, online restaurant reviews. With a team of just 7, Wang launched Jinping in 2003, a platform connecting diners with restaurants. But Wang didn't stop at reviews. He integrated online ordering and payment systems, transforming the way people ate out. Then he added a delivery service, expanding to home delivery. In 2015, Wang merged Jinping with another food delivery service, consolidating the market and creating a giant. He called the new venture Meituan. Soon, Meituan became a household name offering everything from food delivery to hotel bookings, entertainment tickets, and even grocery shopping. Today, Meituan boasts over 600 million users. Its iconic yellow delivery jackets are a common sight across major Chinese cities. Wang achieved this success through relentless data analysis and operational efficiency. He leveraged big data to connect customers with the nearest available delivery riders, optimizing delivery routes and minimizing wait times. Despite facing fierce competition, Wang managed to carve out a dominant position in the market. He proved that in the world of e-commerce, being the first isn't everything. Being the best often matters more. Left-pointing magnifying glass. 4. Robin Li. At the heart of Beijing's bustling Haidian district sits the sprawling campus of Baidu. It's here that China's answer to Google thrives. And at the helm of this tech titan is Robin Li, a man driven by a simple yet profound vision: empower people through technology. Robin's journey began in 1988 when he left his hometown to study at the prestigious Peking University. After graduating, he worked at a state-owned technology firm before moving to the US in 1998 to pursue his MBA. But his time abroad only fueled his desire to serve China. He witnessed firsthand the dominance of American tech giants and realized China needed its own. So Robin returned home with a mission to create China's leading search engine. Baidu went live in January 2000. At first, it was just a small team of Robin and a few friends working out of a small apartment. But Robin's dedication to the project was evident. He personally answered user feedback emails late into the night. As Baidu grew, so did its ambitions. In 2005, Baidu went public on the Nasdaq, raising $100 million and cementing its status as a leader in China's burgeoning tech scene. Today, Baidu is a household name in China, processing over 8 billion search queries daily. But Robin isn't content with just search. He's leading the charge in artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, and large language models. Baidu's AI division, Apollo, is a trailblazer in developing self-driving cars. Robin may not be a household name globally, but in China, he's a pioneer, someone who understood the importance of tech sovereignty and worked tirelessly to put China on the global tech map. 5. Wang Ning. In the creative hub of Beijing's 798 Art District stands a colorful, eye-catching store, a shrine to pop culture and collectibles. This is a Mart flagship store, the brainchild of Wang Ning, a man who built an empire on nostalgia and data. Wang's journey started in the fast-paced world of investment banking. But his passion lay in art. In 2006, he founded Mart, initially as a small gallery showcasing limited edition toys and art pieces. Seeing the potential in the collectibles market, Wang took a leap of faith. He secured a sizable investment and expanded, opening more stores and venturing into online sales. However, Wang didn't just want to sell toys. He wanted to create experiences. He introduced blind boxes, a concept combining surprise, mystery, and collectability. Customers purchase boxes without knowing what toy they'll get inside, creating a sense of anticipation and encouraging repeat purchases. Wang partnered with popular anime and gaming franchises, tapping into China's love for pop culture. Figures like Goku from Dragon Ball, Naruto, and Pokemon became must-haves for collectors. But Wang didn't rely solely on nostalgia. He infused technology into every aspect of the business. For example, Mart uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze purchasing patterns and stock market trends, ensuring the right toys are in the right stores at the right time. He proved that collecting isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle, especially among China's Gen Z population. Today, Mart is a public company worth billions of dollars, selling over 30 million blind boxes yearly. Ning might not be a household name like the characters he sells, but is built a unique empire where art, technology, and surprise come together. Those were Beijing's 5 wealth giants. But their true impact goes beyond the numbers. They became a part of those who spearheaded the transformation of Beijing as we see it today. They didn't just build companies, they helped shape how China's capital eats, thinks, shops, moves, and dreams. From algorithms to art toys, from AI labs to delivery grids, these 5 turned Beijing into more than a political center, they made it the epicenter of modern Chinese power. Beijing may have been built by dynasties. But today, it runs on algorithms, logistics, and obsession, all coded right here. And this is just the beginning. Which of the 5 giants of Beijing inspired you the most, and why? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. As we move on to the next city on our journey, having already explored the giants of Shanghai and now Beijing. Can you guess where we are going next? If you recognize the skyline in this clip, you definitely know China well. Next, we head west. See you in the upcoming episode.